Hello and welcome back to Easy English with James. Really quick lesson for you today. This week a couple of students asked me, what does to get over mean in English? To get over is a common phrasal verb, okay? Remember, phrasal verbs are verbs with two or more parts that when they come together completely change the meaning, okay? To get, you might know, and to get over, you might not know, okay? To get over something basically means to no longer think about that thing in a way that affects your emotions, okay? Imagine that you had a boyfriend or a girlfriend who you loved so much. When you finished with them, you thought that you would be in your room crying for years and years and years. But after 6 months, you got over them. That means that you stopped sitting in your room crying and you went out into the world and maybe you found yourself a beautiful new woman or a handsome new man, okay? You got over them. It means you no longer allowed yourself to be emotionally affected by that person or indeed in English by a situation. I got over it. I got over her. I got over him. You might lose your job and you're sat at home thinking, I'm never going to find another job as good as that. And it stays that way for a couple of weeks or a couple of months. Then one day you get over it and you go back to work, you find a new job and it's better than the one before. You got over it. You got over it. Okay? Try to give me one more example of this in the comments below. Okay? Thanks for joining me. We're going to have many more little phrasal verb lessons like this. If you want to see more interesting content, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Okay? I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.